G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Got the Savotta Jaakari small, and today's video is about little changes I made to it. Now from the very beginning I have not what people call modded it. I haven't cut things off or sewn things on or stapled stuff on or press-studded it on. The actual pack is the stock one, the standard. So what I will be showing you is a few that I don't normally carry on here, but how it can work. But I'll also be showing you the main ones, or the main things I do use with the pack for day-to-day day walks, day hikes, bush walks. So stick around and have a look. The first thing I'm going to show you, and the only thing that is not from Savotta, are these shoulder pads. They cost me about $5-6 off Temu. Now I thought I'd give them a go. They're cheap. If they don't work, then I'll source some more expensive ones. They have made a big difference in comfort. So nice and comfortable, and this is the only one I don't have a link to. Next thing now, the first Savotta part is the sternum strap. I think it's called the universal sternum strap. Now this will fit any pack if you've got the actual webbing coming down, and if you don't mind this actually going around your shoulder straps, it'll fit any pack, and it enables to hold the shoulder straps in the best position for you, and it stops them falling off your shoulders. And that's it really, that's all that does. It just holds your shoulder straps in place to make your hike or bushwalk or day walk a lot more easy and comfortable. So the link to all the Savotta gear is down below. I'll put a link for each one, and that's for the Australian supplier of the Savotta gear, which is Survival Supplies Australia. Great company to go and buy. They'll look after you and they'll be honest with you. So now let's get this off my back and show you more. Here's something. This is Savotta MPP foam mat, which goes down the back here, where your hydration bladder would go if you want to put it there. Now, that thing, sit mat, knee pad, ideal for if you're kneeling down doing any bushcraft work and you want to keep your knees dry and make it a bit more comfortable, or you get somewhere and you got nowhere dry to sit. You can use this to sit your bum on to keep it dry and actually help insulate it from the cold ground. And it also doubles as, if you look here, there's no framework in this. Put it down the back inside the hydration pocket. And now, not a lot, but it gives you some stability to the pack. So it'll make it easier for when you're actually loading it, so it's not flopping around everywhere. And if you've got something in your pack that may stick in your back without this, this will stop that from doing that. That'll just make your back a little bit more comfortable. So now, let's carry on back outside. Now the next things I added to the Savotta Jaakari small are these straps at the bottom for lashing whatever I need on the bottom here. At the moment this is the Savotta sleep mat. So these things, they just makes life so much easier. Perfect size for the Savotta mat there, perfect size for if you want to strap your tent on the bottom. I think they come in 2 different lengths, so they're nice and strong, they match all the webbing on your pack. So if you're like me, you don't like all the odds bits and bobs, you like it all universal, Savotta's the way to go. And there, just put through the actual lashing points on the bottom. Now when you come to put it through the lashing points, the buckles are a little bit wide and big to get through, so you're going to have to undo the actual webbing out of the buckles, put the webbing through, then put them through your actual buckles. Now they stay on my pack all the time. Next thing is this, and this is the 6 litre vertical pouch, again from Savotta. Now this isn't on my pack all the time. I bought this yesterday actually to see how it would work on my Jaakari medium, and that'll be another video to show you later. Again, it's got all your webbing on the bottom, so let's take that off. Now that's a perfect size for carrying your MREs in, your freeze dried food in, anything like that. So I've got some food in there. Yeah, I've got my gas canister, I've got bits and bobs for the camera there, and there's still plenty of room in there. I think there's about 6 freeze dried meals in there. And this is the next thing, this bungee. This stays on all of the time, and it's great just as a simple thing to throw my hat in there, throw a jacket in there and then just tighten it up. And as you saw, you can still get all your webbing coming through and attach all your pouches if you wish. Let's undo this one for now, get it out of the way for when I do it back up. So, yep, that's handy. I've got that on the medium too. Next one, which isn't normally on the pack, is this here. It's the 3 litre horizontal pouch. At the moment I've got the DD extra large tarp in there, I've got some pegs in there and some paracord, so it can be used at any time I wish. But again, next one are these side pouches here from Savotta again. Side pouches have the webbing coming down so you can still lash to it. That's the difference, that's all with them. These are 3 row, they're 4 row. So you're going to need 4 rows of webbing coming down this way to attach that one, and only 3 for this. Now 4 litre, I've shown these before in another video what will fit in them. So if you want to know more about these, go and have a look at my Savotta playlist. It's got everything on there to do with Savotta, and just search for this here. It makes it so much easier being able to add and take away. So these can be taken off, they can be added on. Compression strap can still wrap around, so you can still use your compression strap to compress the actual pack itself. And of course, the mandatory Savotta smiley face. So I hope that's shown you how versatile the Savotta Jaakari Small is. Like I said, it's simple, you've got just the main body you can use. Just stays out. Add your sternum strap if you're going to start adding weight into it so it doesn't slide off your shoulders. You can get some cheap shoulder padding to stop it cutting in your shoulders so you can carry even more weight if you want to, and use it in different ways. Again, this could be anything. You could put your med pouch in there if you wanted to. Like I said, I've got the extra large tarp in there at the moment from DD Hammocks. This is their super light one, that's why it's not as big. Like I said, we've still got the room in there for the pegs to go in there and the paracord to do the ridge line with. This here, it's got my cook kit in one side. What else have I got in here? I think I've got my poncho. Yep, poncho's in there. Oh no, so I've actually got the small DD Superlight tarp. That's a small one, which is 2.8 by 1.5. But that slides in there nice and easy. There's more paracord in there. 800ml water container. And still room to fit more in. Quick look on this side. Like I said, not going into big detail, but cook kit. Actually a winter thermal blanket or sleeping bag line in there, which will give you up to 22 degrees Celsius extra. So you're looking at, it'll probably give you what, 10 to 15 comfortably. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's shown you what you can attach to this. And if you have enjoyed it and you're not a subscriber, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all so you can be notified of all future videos. Hit the like button, the thumbs up. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.